Iterators versus standard loops. Should you use a basic loop to print each password character, or leverage an iterator combined with the next method? Why choose an iterator? Let's break it down. Here's exactly how it works. Look at this password string. We want to stream these characters one by one. We initialize an iterator. This object tracks your exact position across the sequence, managing the data stream smoothly. Every time we call the next method, it fetches one character. Running this code yields the first two elements, A and 1. This is our iterator. Now, we have a fully functional iterator object. It acts as a standalone object. Invoking next instantly retrieves the upcoming character. So why not just use a standard for loop here? As you can see, a loop prints every single character instantly. Since strings are iterable, looping is completely seamless. But here is the real magic. With an iterator, you gain total control over when the next character appears. You direct the execution flow. That is key. With a standard loop, you lose that fine-grained power. Once a loop begins, you simply cannot pause it. With iterators, we can pause at will, then resume whenever you want. Call next again, and the letter appears. We can repeat this at will, step by step, pulling exactly what we need when we need it. Standard loops lock you into a rigid path, all at once. While workarounds exist, this control is why iterators shine. Use next for absolute precision and targeted consumption. You simply cannot pause a loop. With iterators, we pause and decide the next move. Let's call next once more. This fetches the very next character in the sequence. We can repeat this loop as needed. Item by item, there is the next character. Compare that to a loop, which locks you into a routine. It is forced to process every single character at once. While workarounds exist, this control is why iterators win. Use next for precision and targeted data consumption. It allows you to pause, resume, and process streams incrementally. That is the ultimate power of using the next method. That is when you want to use next. While a standard loop simply dumps the entire dataset at once.